the first of the month. I brush my teeth and count up.
Be here with Squad Darkness. We're gonna be here with Squad Darkness here, and yeah, let's run it. So like we're basically just hiding from the light, I guess. Here, let's go. This is gonna be easy since I'm a mystery now. It got Roblox control system. I don't know. It feels like I'm playing Roblox right now. I'm not though. It's like an actual mobile game by itself. Yes, sir. Mystery, stay a mystery. You dig? Let's get right. Let's get right. Oh shoot! I thought it would actually kill me instantly. I'm not gonna lie. Oh my gosh. I might just need to get that no ad subscription. Hold on, let me check it. I forgot how to get no ads, but we'll be right. That's my last time dying because I'm a mystery. I should be good at this. I'm like a ninja and everything. I play Mortal Kombat and everything. Yes, sir. I even finished the Naruto Shippuden series. So I'm gonna get right with this. Yeah, you didn't see nothing, little boy. Get the frick out of here. Yo. Easy works. Easy works. He's dusted. He doesn't. What was that? Nah. Alright. That was my last death. I swear it is. Oh my gosh, ads, bro. I'm getting ads out the box. You think I could turn off my Wi-Fi? Hold on. Well, would that still record? Shoot, I might just try it. Let's get right. I can barely hear anything too, so. Alright, now that we have our Wi-Fi off, I think we should be able to get this right. Yup. Easy works. Nobody's gonna catch me this time. I'm a mystery. What even are these things? They look like eyeballs. What you see? Cause I see nothing, little boy. Get the frick out of here. Yup. We finna get rocked. No! Nah. See, we don't count that. Oh my god. Alright, now we should have no ads, so no interruptions. And I hope I have unlimited lives, because I'm probably going to be playing this like so much. And I'm going to be dying so much. Probably. But I'm not going to let that happen. We're going to try not to die. No, actually, we're not even going to be trying, because it's going to come casually. Let's get this right. Where's the people at? What? How did I? Oh my gosh. Guys, I swear, this is not a good day. Is this a different map? Where is there? Alright. There is one. No, I feel like this is a different map. I might need to go back in the game records. Is there a speed boost thing? Cause holy crap, this is bonkers. Dang, how much times have I died? Nah. I gotta at least beat one round. Bro, I keep dying. Get out of here. Yes, sir. I'm tired of eyeballs trying to kill me. Bro, I'm so bad at being a mystery. This is weird. My name is literally Mysterydude113. This is bonkers. I'm tired of dying. Safe now. Oh, I used one of my perks. Oh. Aha, you can't catch me, you can't see me, you can't catch me. Let's go. W's in the chat. You ain't see nothing, little bro. Let's get right. Ah! Dude, that was my highest score. Bro, Discord. I didn't mean to open that. Let's get. Lock in, chat. Time to lock in. You can't guard me. Bro, I played Hitman Absolution and everything. I should be good at this. How am I supposed to beat that? I don't even think I beat it that once. Is there an ending to this map? I don't even know if there is. If there's not, I'm ending this shortly. Cause bro, this is bonkers. Alright guys, I'm gonna speed through. I'm gonna, like, for you guys it's gonna be like speeding time. Like I'm doing some speed crap. But for me it's gonna be normal time. I'm gonna see if there's a map or if there's an end to this. If there's not, you'll see me next video. Ah, you thought you were getting on the phone, loser.
No way he's spine killing me. Bro, when am I gonna get that 325?
Alright, it's time to lock in my inner mystery avatars.
Before me. Bro, their aim is way too good, bruh. This is gonna. This.
One more combo. That ain't Falco. That ain't Falco.
Dang, bro could not hit me. That's crazy. Yes, sir. I told y'all I was a mystery. None of these losers could catch me. Like a factory. Down pouch and made back poultry. God. Let's wait till this guy passes. But when we gonna hit that 325? I need to hit it, dude. They shoot way too fast and their aim is crazy. But I still be juking. Oh my gosh, L's back to back to back to back to back to back to back. We need W's. We need W's. Oh. Hahaha. $39 every time.
Someone was detected at your front door.
I don't care. Wait, why not somebody's been though? Let's get right, boys. We're gonna get to 325 right now. Get to moving, young boss.
Let's get right.
Oh my gosh, this is not our time, but this match is the one. I feel it in my bones, I feel it in my blood. Yes sir, you see me clutch up? I was about to die there, but nah, I felt it in my blood. $325, bro, I'm trying to get that. I'm not even hitting the 100 anymore. When was the last time I hit it the 100? Oh my gosh. I gotta go get this crab about mobile gaming, I could take my gaming anywhere I go. So we don't get rifles.
Someone was detected at your front door.
This is what killed me last time. There's so much of these. Are we gonna hit 325? I feel it in my bones, boys. Yep, this is the one right here. This is the one right here. No! Why is he here? Wait, we hit it! We hit it 320. We hit it past 325. Oh my gosh, I used to pray for times like this, to run like this, and to shine like this, and shine like that, and to grab the rhythm and fight like that. Oh my gosh, we won low. We won. If I die right now, it doesn't matter because we won.
You
I'm
can
gonna
tell
tell
everybody.
Let's get right.
You can tell everybody. Go in and tell everybody. I'm the man, I'm the man, I'm the man. Yes, I am, yes, I am, yes, I am.
Yeah, there was never an end of the map. Oh my gosh. Well, we hit it at least past 325. Talk to me if you want another one of these videos. I'm the true mystery of all kids since we won 325. I will see you guys later. Next video coming soon.